what is a Forex broker? Well, in simple terms, a Forex broker is a company that we will give our orders to. So we will put our money into their accounts and we will instruct them of which orders that we want to place in the financial market. And what these brokers will do is place the trade in the financial markets for us. So they've got links direct to inter and central banks. Obviously, these are the people that will network us, the individual, the retail trader, into the world of financial markets. So how do a broker make their money? Well, simple. In return for executing our buy and sell trades, the broker will charge a commission per trade or a spread. So on a spread betting platform, we will be looking at the difference between the bid and the asking price, which is the price that we can buy and sell our currency at market value to. And what the brokers will do is they will take the difference between the buy and the sell price, so the bid and the asking price, the bid price always being the lowest, and they will make their commission based on the difference between the buying and selling prices. So that is how a broker makes money. So there's big rumours out there that brokers are trying to steal people's money and they're always going to be against you. Everyone's working against the brokers. Well, if you find a decent regulated broker, the brokers are always going to be in the interest of actually helping you. The reason because without you as a trader trading sums of money and creating these trades and spreads, the brokers would never make any money or get paid. So what you got to remember is by keeping you alive as long as possible, okay, the broker will always make more money. There are a few sort of third-party brokers out there that just look at getting a lot of money, big spreads off you very, very quickly and bringing the next customer in. But with regulated brokers, that is not always the case. Okay, so what you want to do is find yourself a decent regulated broker, i.e. get a nice platform that you feel comfortable with and learn to trade the platform and have some success.